I'm going to show you how to start a snowblower using the electric starter or the manual starter. This is an old 2008 Ariens, but this process should work for many different brands and models of snowblower. So here we have our old Ariens snowblower. And the first thing we do is check to make sure there is fuel and it's a full tank. So when we come down to the controls, we can see on the far left that the key needs to be inserted. The next thing over is the choke. And then is the engine speed, bunny or turtle. Then the primer is what I'm pushing. Push that 5 or 6 times. And here's a picture of all the components I just said. So in order to start a cold engine, we need the choke on full, throttle on full, and primer hit 5 or 6 times. Now we can plug in the electric start and turn on the motor. Easy as that. Now the engine is on. We can take that off and we can get it off full choke to about half choke until it warms up. And then we can put it on no choke. So if the engine is hot, half or no choke. If the engine's cold, full choke. Full choke to the right, no choke to the left. Now at our control board, we can now adjust the speed of the blower by putting it reverse or forward at various speeds. Left control goes forward and backwards. And you can move the head by rotating this clockwise or counterclockwise. And the right handle controls the blade, whether it's on or off. And to turn the machine off, you put the throttle all the way down on the engine until it shuts off. Now, what to do if you're stuck and the machine turns off and you got to turn it on without an electric starter? What you're going to want to do is try to do a full choke, full throttle, and prime the motor. And then you want to pull the manual start. And you'll see that this isn't working, and I'll explain why. So we pull it, it wants to start, but it can't. The reason it can't is because the engine is hot, and we don't need full choke anymore. So it won't start because it's on full choke. Where a cold engine needed a full choke, a hot engine does not need it. So you can leave the choke on 0, throttle on full, prime it up, and then you can pull the manual lever. And it should stay running. Make sure the choke is on 0. Now you can get back to plowing the path. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.